ಹಲೋ
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮೇ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್?
ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್.
ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಯು ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್.
ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್.
ಸರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಯು ವಿತ್ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ.
ಹೇಳಿ, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾಳೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯು ಆರ್ ಬುಕ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹೌದು, ಐ ಬುಕ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಮೋದಿ ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್.
ಓಕೆ.
And we are got a call from the CM office, or 40 workers ಎಲ್ಲ they want to do a celebration because Modi ji is coming.
Sir, how is it connected to me? That you tell me first.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ
Already
sir.
booked the ground. ಇಲ್ಲ sir, I am getting married tomorrow.
Correct. I know sir, what I'm saying, that ground that is there, no, we will give for them. That is not a problem. You can take a later date.
Sir, are you joking with me? ಏನ್ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು?
ಅಲ್ಲ it's not about sir.
Sir, ಇಲ್ಲ. See, you might have seen 100 weddings. This is my wedding. I waited 33 years to get married. Do you
Allah
understand
sir,
that?
it is not about waiting for a 33 years. You please tell me, is you important or the Prime Minister of this country?
Sir, my wedding is important to me. I don't care about
Oh
the
my
Prime
God,
Minister,
you
sir.
are more important than Narendra Modi.
Please don't talk to me like this. Tomorrow I booked the hall, and this is nonsense what you're telling me right now.
Allah sir,
I have
what?
guests coming from abroad, man.
Sir.
What about the food?
Sir, you can
What if the girl,
you
what if
please
the girl says she's not going to get married to me
sir,
after 2
that
weeks?
is not our problem sir. You please talk to Modi.
Modi will understand my problem. He knows the sentiment of the country. Do you know it?
You're saying I doesn't know the sentiment.
You do not know, man.
Oh, okay sir, I doesn't know your sentiment. You please do whatever you want sir. I cannot help you anything.
Sir, I'm really sorry, but
Allah,
you please
no,
to
no,
understand.
no.
Illa.
Please don't say
Sir.
sorry for me, okay? You said I doesn't have a sentiment. What is the use?
Sir, no, please, Nagaraj sir, you can do. I know you can do something.
Nodi,
because-
sir.
Illa.
Sir, it will become a national what is that news, your wedding.
Why don't you understand my situation?
Sir, why not
Modi-
think about sir? You are
Sir,
there.
the
Arnab
political
Goswami
parties
on
are
the
keep-
panel tonight. We have with us Mr. Modi.
Sir, please, sir.
Sorry sir, we
Sir,
cannot do
sir,
your
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು
wedding tomorrow.
sir,
Please
ಈ ತರ
kindly
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ, sir.
for you, okay? Thank you.
Sir, please, sir.